welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video. Today I have a nail video. I'm not a nail tech. I just wanted to show you guys some new products that I got, and I usually have been doing my own nails at home, so I'm going to gel polish my nails today for you guys so you guys can see all the products. I will list them down below. Also, I do have a discount code where you can purchase a mini UV lamp and some gel nail polishes and a base coat, top coat, all the good stuff. I'll link all that information down below for you guys. So ever since COVID-19 has started, I haven't gone to the nail shop because it's kind of scary to go, but I've been doing my own nails. I have been doing regular nail polish, you know, for a while, and then I started using the gel polish, and I was like, oh my god, gel polish is so much better because instantly it dries. So I recently discovered poly gel, and I've been practicing on my nails. I will do a separate video if you guys want to see. I do have some. You can't really see it because I kind of filed some of it off just so that it's not thick. I'm still learning to use the poly gel. So let me know if you guys want to see a video of me trying to do poly gel on my own nails. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a base. This is the Nail Addict Los Angeles base. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys all the polishes that I got. This is the no white top coat, so this is the top coat that goes on top of the color. Then I chose to get this yellow highlighter one. It's called Yellow Addict. It looks like that. And then I also got Do Me a Favor. I actually had already filmed this video once, and it was a total fail. I didn't like how the video turned out. I'll probably show little clips here and there so you guys can see them. But this is the color that I did on the last video. I did do a video with the white one, but I accidentally deleted the footage, so that's why I had to refilm it. And I was like, you know what, let me try another one. So I did it with this one. And yeah, so I got White Addict as well, and then I got Be My Baby. So this is the one I'm gonna do today because I already tried these two in different videos and I really like them, so I was like, I want to try a different color. This one I guess I'll save for another video. I'm gonna use Be My Baby for today's video. It's a pink color. I actually want to smell it. They have like a bubble gum smell. These two right here have a bubble gum smell, and I really like how that smells. This one, I don't believe it smells like that. No. So the white one and the yellow one don't have a bubble gum smell, so only these two do. So I'm going to go ahead and base coat my nails, and I'm going to be using their UV lamp as well. Like I said, I will list all the products down below. This is a vegan-free, animal cruelty-free line, so that makes me really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna see if I can brighten this up a little bit more for you guys because I feel like the lighting is horrible. I'm gonna zoom in a little more. There you go. Sorry if I get out of frame. I'm not used to filming this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and base coat my nails. Don't hate me if I'm doing it wrong, but you know, I'm a mom learning how to do this on my own, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I basically broke a few of my nails. My nails were longer than this, but this I wash dishes and all that, so they started breaking off. So that's why I started using poly gel now, so to make my nails a little stronger because they are a little weak. So this one broke. The pinky ones broke a little bit. This one is actually my actual nail. I just put poly gel on top just to make it stronger. So I had to file the rest of them because they were breaking off from like the corners. You guys can see this one is not really, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. I want to. Alright, So I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and polish the nails. I don't know if I should shake it. I'm gonna shake it just because I seen when I go to the nail shop they do shake them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so I might mess up and not gonna look cute. But hey, I'm trying to learn to do my own nails at home. And hopefully I can get my girls to stop biting their nails and then I can start practicing on them. But yeah. So it's okay if you get it into your skin. I'm going to remove that. Just make sure you don't cure it when it's not fully cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that. Oops. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing because I forget and I get out of frame. This side a little bit because I kind of removed it. If you have any tips and tricks on to do polish, let me know because I have a lot of issues with lifting. With all the polishes that I've done, I have a lot of issues with the lifting and I hate it. So I know that I have to, like, I forgot the word, seal it, I guess, around. And I try to do that, but I feel like I don't do it right. So I get a lot of lifting and that's what freaks me out. Let's see if I can bring you guys in a little bit so I don't have to be lifting my hand up. Okay, so I'm going to do the... I'm going to go ahead and remove a little bit of the polish off my brush. So like I said, all my nails have poly gel on them just to make them strong. It's like getting overlay because I usually, if I don't get my nails done, I do get overlay on my real nails just to make them strong. Lately, I don't know, I haven't been liking to get my nails like done because since I have a lot of piercings on my ears, I have been liking to change them around, and you know, and with nails it's really hard for me to do that. So right now I think I like not having long nails, but I do miss them. But for now I think this will do. This color is really pretty and it smells like bubble gum. Alright. This is the one that's the most broken and it's crooked, but if I keep filing down I feel like it's just going to end up really short, and I'm like, you know what, just let it grow out crooked if it wants to. So I'm just going to do that. Just removing the excess of the Alright, just kind of bringing it down because I did leave the poly gel at the tips a little thick just because I want to be able to have them feel strong in a week. This one I didn't really do it, so this feels a little, oh, sorry, you guys can't see. This one I did do it and it doesn't feel strong, it feels really weak. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, before I cure it, clean this out. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Wait, let me clean this out. I totally forgot. Got distracted a little bit. Clean this. Sorry, I forget. I'm cleaning this. I'm gonna clean this out before I cure it. I just want to make sure, because once you cure it, it is really hard to remove it. So I don't want to have to struggle. And I feel like I missed a spot here. Okay, bringing this in a little bit. I'm those people that go to the nail shop and ask the lady that I want the polish to touch my skin. I don't know why. Alright, okay, now I'm happy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cure. Wait, we're having a little bit of extra. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cure it for 60. Really? Okay, now we can cure it for 60 seconds. These polishes are really nice to work with. I really like them. They're not like, how do I explain it? Like with one coat, it looks really good already. I've had nail polishes where you do one coat and you actually need to do 2 or 3 because they look patchy, and these ones with one, it already looks good, but I know you should do 2, so I do 2 and it looks really good. So all right, here we go with the next one. See, I'm practicing to get the polish to look good, because honestly I always get it into my skin. So if you guys have any tips, I would really appreciate them. My nails pink in a long time. I like to stick to black, but they didn't have the black polish, so I had to pick these ones. I mean, I like them. I just wish I would have been able to get a black polish because I really like wearing black polish lately. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead, make sure I get the whole nail because I usually forget. That was a crappy job. Okay, let me remove some of the excess because I know it has excess. Then we can go ahead and cure it once again. So it's been cured. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the no white top coat. I don't know what's the difference, to be honest with you, because I know there's polishes where you have to actually use alcohol to wipe the stickiness. This one doesn't have that, thank God, because I hate when it's so sticky after you cure and you're like, what? Why is it sticky? Why is it getting stuck in my hair? So this one doesn't do that, thankfully. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all my nails, apply the top coat, and then we're gonna go ahead and cure it one more time. Alright, so went ahead and added a little bit of cuticle oil. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand. The right hand is a lot harder to do with my left hand, so I'm gonna have to do it myself because I have to really close to it. But yeah, definitely check them out. I will link all their information down below for you guys. I really like how my pink nails turned out. I like them, so go ahead and check them out. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'll list it down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.